get bad thing. I never say this kind thing.
Wetin be that?
Loftus, where you learn how to play ball?
For Chelsea Academy.
Mount,
Wetin?
this boy been dey follow you go training for Chelsea Academy.
I no too remember.
I been the can't training steady now.
Na him you say dey play ball like this?
What do you mean?
Sterling, calm down. No do that thing where you want do.
Why not? How old you dey?
See me see rubbish question. Why they ask me that kind thing?
The guy dey 26 years old.
Jesus, God forbid. Na him you still dey play like this?
Sterling, I dey warn you. He's like you like trouble.
No disturb me. How could you go carry this big for nothing baby put for pitch? The bench covers each.
See, make you no be like that no on you. They know they call me big baby.
Wetin them God they call you? 2 loaves of chicken?
It's like the pampers where you dey wear for yash. The mouth you won't wear them.
Me? Where waiting?
Momo, them say mouth, not be mount.
So na me you dey yab.
Now you start them.
Shebi you know say I senior you.
Now you make you come and insult me.
You know sabi play ball. You talk finish. Get body. Sabi run. You even get fine face. Wetin remain?
Sense.
Your father.
If I lie, make God punish me. The only thing why you not get for your whole body na sense. The most important attribute of a footballer. Jesus! Why you fight me? Na Sterling start am na.
Idiot. But are you go joke mouth?
Sterling, help me na. This guy too strong.
I no wan injure myself. What cup don reach?
I know say una don already sabi say una fit register for the best and most reliable betting platform wey be 1xbet for free. And una also know say after una register with my promo code GNEXT, una go get bonus wey fit reach up to 189,000 naira depending on the money wey you first deposit. But you sabi say you fit dey get weekly bonus for 1xbet? See as you go take do am. Log into your account for 1xbet. Place bet on top your team and athletes. Dem go dey give you back 0.18% of the total bet wey you do every week. 1xbet dey provide plenty bonuses for their players. So make sure say you register so that you go discover all of them. And remember to always bet with sense. Thank you.
Kochi, these boys need bulala. These ones where them they do no be punishment.
Wetin dey worry this Ororo now? I swear this goat don dey vex me oh.
The guy fit hear you. Talk am small.
Wetin concern me? He no follow us play ball. Why na only us dey need am?
Who they talk for there?
This man you when I come safe. Now wow, we don dey here for 2 hours far. This man you be like devil. Them go promise you big things. You go come deserve punishment. Fred, why you even tell me make I come here safe?
Me wey no even play ball, I still follow una knee down.
All of una, stand up they go. Rashford and Van der Beek, remain there.
Thank God this my knee don dey pee sef.
Akpeo, I don't even deserve to dey here.
Fred, come here.
Why now? Wetin I do?
If I slap you, after World Cup, I no wan see this thing on top your head. Barb responsible haircut.
Why now?
Now this kind haircut they make us lose match.
How?
No question me again, no.
This guy never even wear captain band for 24 hours. He don't dey do like all those mumu lecturers.
Wait till you talk.
Nothing. Van de Beek.
Sir?
I sabi you from Ajax. No be so you dey play. Wetin happen?
Sir, I go try improve.
Coachila, no listen to this boy. If you no knack them no go sabi play ball.
Ororo, calm down. No be so them they take do everything.
Coachila, violence na the solution to all problems. All this softness no go help this club.
Shebi na because I gave you captain band, you dey do anyhow.
Coachila, this your method, I no like am o. Na why me and you dey get problem for this club.
Oya dey go and give Bruno back the captain band.
Oya na, no problem. Nothing when I dey carry this nonsense band do sef.
For 2 of una, I go leave una for today because of World Cup. Make I not injure person World Cup ambitions.